Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to convert WPS Office file to PDF on any smartphone. Now to do that, just open the WPS Office app, then tap on Create. Now just select Doc. From here, just tap on the plus icon to create a new document. Now just create your document. Now once you create your file, just tap on the square icon to save this file. From here, just give a name to this file, then tap on Path and select Location. Now, if you want to save the location in your phone, just select Phone and select the folder where you want to save this file. Now just tap on Doc. Now instead of Doc, just select PDF. Then tap on Export to PDF. Now if you go to your home screen and open the Files app, now just tap on internal storage and select the folder where you saved your file. Now as you can see, we have successfully saved our WPS Office file to PDF. And this is how you can convert WPS Office to PDF on any smartphone. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.